going on, guys? Your boy, YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. Today we're going for a little cruise on the dirt bike, as per usual. Cold day out today. Hear the backfires from the dirt bike. Gotta be careful around the corners. Riding, oh shit, got sideways there. Choke needs to be put down. You get squirmy around the corner. Backfiring like crazy, so oh fuck. Shit. Getting kind of chilly. You can feel it in the face. Slow down on the corner here. Wicked corner. Don't lock up the front brake. Around over here, a little bit more low key. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's dangerous, baby. That's dangerous. That is dangerous. Holy shit. That was close to near-death experience right there. Baby footer. She's a chilly one. Oh, this is gonna be sketchy. Let's try to take the path with the little amounts of snow clutter. Just grazing through this, because this is what lose your fucking control, you're dead there. It's a dirt bike, not a snow bike. That's what they say. Make sure no one's behind me. Don't want anyone getting pissed at the kid. Just ripping around trying to have some fun here on a boring day off. All right. Let's go over here. Are we going to be a back alley warrior over here? We'll check it out. Just want to put some banger content out for my fans. Shout out to all 171 of you guys. We're going to keep grinding and let's make something happen from this channel. All right, check both ways. Smells like onion rings. Straight up. Sketchy back alley over here, for sure. I don't know why I just did that. Oh. Gotta make sure you get your balance. Holy shit, almost died there. Almost died. Almost died. Oh my goodness. Alright. Make sure both ways are clear. Alright. That snow right there, that brown shit. It just gotta keep your foot down for sure on that one. Sketchy in the back alleys here. Holy fuck. It's not level or anything. Just trying to keep my balance so I don't wipe out and eat shit. For sure. Okay. My hands are starting to freeze. Haven't even been out here that long. Just the wind itself is hectic. But yeah, that's gonna end the ride, guys. The moto vlogs are kind of fire, so they get more sketchy every time as the snow keeps growing. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy YKTV Frenchie. I'm signing off.